Katyayani is worshipped on the sixth day of Navaratri. She is mentioned as the destroyer of evil in Taittiriya Aranyaka of Yajurveda, Skanda Purana, Devi Mahatmayam, Markandeya Purana, Kalika Purana, and more. She was prayed to by Sita Devi, Rukmini Devi, and also Radha Devi. According to the legends, there was a rishi named Katya. He did severe tapas for begetting a child, and that child was Katyayani. She was born with a purpose to kill the unyielding demon king Mahishasura. Mahisha means buffalo. Mahishasura was born to Ramba, an Asura king, and Mahishi, a princess who was cursed to become a water buffalo. A buffalo head represents a mind filled with tamas, negative, lazy, and vulgar thoughts that take us far away from the spiritual path. Mahishasura, the buffalo-headed demon, was a worshipper of Lord Brahma. After a long, difficult, and painful austerity, he was granted the boon he asked for. A boon that protected him from all the humans, devas, divine creatures, and more. All but women. Mahishasura was very sure no woman ever existed who could defeat him. But Lord Brahma foresaw his death at the hands of a woman. With the new found power, Mahishasura was creating a lot of trouble for the Devas. His barbarity increased day by day. The Devas approached the Trinity, Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, and sought a way to end Mahishasura. And the Trinity knew the solution. They brought their powers together to create a feminine power. She was a manifestation of Ma Durga. She took birth as Katyayani, a born warrior. She had a resplendent form with 3 eyes, 18 hands, and was as brilliant as 1,000 suns. The Devas added their powers to her through multiple gifts. She received a Trishul from Lord Shiva, Sudarshana Chakra from Lord Vishnu, Japamala and a Kamandulu from Lord Brahma, Shankha from Varuna, arrow from Agni, bow from Vayu, a quiver from Surya, Vajrayudha from Indra, mace from Kubera, a sword and a shield from Kala, and a battle axe from Vishwakarma. She mounted her ride, the Simha, and prowled to the Vindhya ranges where Mahishasura lived. A fierce battle took place between Ma Katyayani and Mahishasura. He took her very light at the start, thinking she is no equal to him. But the goddess defeated him and pierced him with her Trishul. The slaying of Mahishasura gave her the name Mahishasura Mardini, the one who killed Mahishasura. This unforgettable feat is celebrated as Durga Puja in many parts of India. According to Bhagavata Purana, the young unmarried girls in Gokula observed fast during the entire month of Margashirsha and worshipped goddess Katyayani to get Lord Krishna as their husband. It is believed till date that girls who observe fast and worship Ma Katyayani will find worthy husbands. In Tamil Nadu, Devi Kanyakumari is worshipped as an avatar of Ma Katyayani. Let us invoke Ma Katyayani today to destroy the demon of tamas inside us and uplift us from ignorance, laziness, and negativity. May our animalistic instincts be subdued by Ma Katyayani. May our potential be positively guided by her. Today, we invoke Ma Parvati with a folk song from Tamil Nadu. Every community and state has its own folk style of adoring and worshipping this Devi. In Tamil Nadu, Adi Parashakti is worshipped popularly as Mariamman. Here is an Amman Bhakti Padal in Tamil.
Darisanam tandal magamayi taaye seye karumari. Darisanam tandal magamayi taaye seye karumari. Urukku oru urumari unmaigal solvaal karumari. Urukku oru urumari unmaigal solvaal karumari. வேப்பிலையில் அவள் வீற்றிருப்பாள், வேதனைகள் பல தீர்த்து வைப்பாள். வேப்பிலையில் அவள் வீற்றிருப்பாள், தீர்த்து வைப்பாள். காணவரும் மடியவர்க்கு காணவரும் மடியவர்க்கு காட்சி தந்து அருள் புரிவாள். தரிசனம் தந்தாள் மகமாயி தாயே சேயே கருமாரி. ஊருக்கு ஊரு உருமாறி உண்மைகள் சொல்வாள் கருமாரி. எல்லைகளை தாங்கி நிற்கும் எழிலோங்கும் எல்லையம்மா. எல்லைகளை தாண்டி நிற்கும் எழிலோங்கும் எல்லையம்மா. துள்ளி வரும் அசுரர்களே துள்ளி வரும் அசுரர்களே துணிந்தே காத்திடும் துர்க்கையம்மா. துணிந்தே காத்திடும்